Hello mga ka-winners, samahan niyo ako sa second local flight ko ngayong taon. Gusto niyo ba ng good news, bad news? Ang good news, tuloy yung flight ko papunta Cebu. Ang bad news, syempre delayed. Yan ang problema dito. Papunta na tayo sa boarding gate natin, 18 sa AirAsia. See you in a while, Cebu. Flight was delayed for 3 hours, pero still blessed. Arrived safe here in Mactan, Cebu. See you at Ateneo. The last time I was here in Cebu was with the SBP program of Coach Norman Black. But this time, I have to visit Ateneo de Cebu. Kasi may mga players tayo indoors and we'll check them if they're fit to play sa system ni Coach Romel Rasma. Abangan! And I'm back here at Magis Eagles. Naka-winners ko. Yun ang seryoso. Coach Toton! Ka-winners!
Welcome back!
Boss, ka-winners!
Kumusta? Let's go, bless!
Idol!
Mga ka-winners!
Oh, mga ka-winners dyan! Uy!
Winners!
Ah, si Bench!
Bench! Hello, Bench!
Andito yung SBP Regional Director, si Boss Popo. Boss Popo.
Hello, hello. Winners!
Winners. Next, Phil Bang at saka Rota yan. Second, backdoor. Working hard si Aldin Kainglet. Ateneo de Manila na to. Jacob, laki na ng Jacob Lacson, no?
Alala mo siya before?
Yes, Doc. Diba? Let's go, Jacob. Good job. Ito si Ayodele, manang-mana to sa tatay niya, si Sam, no? Naging player ko to, ito si Ayodele. Coach Idol, Romel. Boy loyal. Loyal.
Brothers on 3! 1, 2, 3! Brothers! Uit.
Nice, ah.
Nice, coach!
Nice one, ah.
Coach, ka-winners!
Winners.
Winners!
Tonto, ito winners.
Winners!